Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Professor M.H. Annaya, and in this video we are going to work out a problem on the projection of a square pyramid which is resting on one of its base edges on xy. xy is the line of intersection of VP and HP, whereas the triangular face containing that base edge is on VP. So friends, first of all, we will draw the initial position of this solid such that one of the base edges is normal to VP and it comes to your right side. So friends, let me mark the XY line, and after marking this XY line, let us mark VP by HP indicating first angle projection. Now friends, we will place the pyramid on HP with one of the base edges perpendicular to VP, obtain its top view and front view. So I am going to write down a square here of side equal to, you can see 30 mm side. So I am going to join these diagonals and mark this as ABCD. ABCD is the base of the pyramid, and I'll mark here O comma O1. O is for the vertex and O1 is the center of the base. And each of these sides measure 30. I will say SQ30. SQ indicates that it is a square of 30 millimeter side. So let us project this to the front view and obtain the corresponding front view of the solid. So we are going to get a line like this and the line here. This is the axis from the O. So friend, this is O dash, the vertex of the solid, and these points are A dash, B dash, this is O1 dash, this is C dash, D dash, and this line represents the base of the solid. Now friends, this last line in the front view last line represents the triangular face, one of the triangular faces, because there are four triangular faces for the square pyramid, and this O dash, C dash, D dash is one such triangular face. I'll write down here. This is one of the triangular face. And friends, to make it to rest on VP, first of all we have to tilt it such that this becomes vertical. Then we can rotate and make it to touch VP. So friend, what I do, I redraw this front view with the same dimension such that this last line, that is the slant edge, O dash, C dash, D dash, is perpendicular to HP, and this is the point A dash, B dash. As usual, we have got O comma O1, the base. Now the object is resting on C dash, D dash. C dash, D dash is one of the shorter edges of the base of the pyramid, and these two figures are exactly same, excepting that this is rotated through an angle. So they are exactly identical. Friends, you should remember, in all the projections of solids, whether it is a pyramid, a prism, a cone, or a cylinder, these first and second figure will always be same. And the same concept holds good even for the laminae or the plane surfaces. Now friend, this has become perpendicular now, and let's see how the top view appears. So we'll just draw the lines from there. Vertical from A, horizontal from A, the point of intersection is A. Likewise, vertical from B dash, horizontal from here, this gives you the point B. Similarly, you get for the C and D. So you go in order. A, B, this point is going to be C, and this is point D. So A dash, A, B, C, D you have got. Next friends, O, the vertex is here. So vertex in the top is here. So horizontal line from there, vertical from there. So this is our OCD. Friends, if you see the front view, O dash C dash D dash gives you or represents one of the triangular faces which is perpendicular to HP. The same OCD is seen as a line here. So the triangular face has become vertical now. Now friends, this O is to be joined to A, joined to B. So I am going to join O to A, O to B, O to C, O to D, and all these are to be joined. Friends, this is how the pyramid looks when one of the triangular faces has become vertical. So I will write down here, this triangular face is vertical or perpendicular to VP. This is VP, it is perpendicular. But what is that we want? We want this OCD to be on the vertical plane. OCD should be on the vertical plane. So what is to be done now, friends? So whatever the figure we have got here is to be redrawn as such that this OCD or DOC representing the triangular face is on this XY. So friends, you have to just rotate through 90 degrees and COD should come on this. So friends, I will just mark that here. Same figure I am going to redraw. So here friends, this is, if you write like this is COD. See, or DOC, anything you can say. D, center is O, other point is C, DOC. And opposite to that is AB. Opposite to D is A. Not here, this should be here. A, this is B, C, D. I have to join O to A, O to B as usual. Because remember friends, these two figures are once again exactly identical. And now friends, with this top view, let us see how to obtain the front view of the solid. You comments from one of these. So you can start from anywhere. Vertical from A, the horizontal line from A, the point where these two intersect is our final A dash. So this is going to be A dash. Next B, vertical line from B, horizontal from here, the point of intersection will give you B dash. Then C, horizontal from C dash, vertical from C dash, you get the point. C will write down. This is C, this is C dash, this is D dash, and this point is going to be D. Because you can see A, B, C, D in order, and this is O is somewhere here. You will mark that O also. O1. Friends, we got the complete base. I told you, whenever the pyramid is resting on one of its triangular faces on HP or one of its slant edge on HP, irrespective of the type of pyramid, in the front view, you will be able to see the complete base of the solid. Hence, I have to join all these by straight line. So A to D, A to B, a straight line, B to C, all these should be straight line. Friends, you got O here. Draw a horizontal line from O, a vertical line from here, and you have to join that to A dash, O dash, A dash, O dash to B dash. And friends, you know very well, this base is completely visible to the observer in the front view. Now, there is a very important principle here. When you join O dash to D dash, it intersects A dash, B dash. I will repeat. When O dash is joined to D dash, it intersects this edge A dash, B dash. And I have told you in many of my previous videos on the projections of solid that whenever two lines intersect, if one of them is a full line, the intersecting line, the other intersecting line should be a dotted line. We know very well it is a full line, so So I have to join the by a dotted line, an invisible edge. Similarly, when we join O to C, it is intersecting AB, and hence even this has to be a dotted line. So this is how, friends, we obtain the front view of the solid. This is the final top view of the solid. And if you read the problem, it satisfies all the requirements specified in the problem. So it is resting on OCD on VP, and that OCD is seen as a line in the top view. So whenever a plane surface is on VP, its top view is going to be a line on XY. That is, the triangle is seen as a line here. Friends, I hope the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video without leaving anything in between. And if you like this video, do share this video and about my YouTube channel link, namely Engineering Drawing and Machine Design by Dr. M. H. Annaya. Thank you very much. Have a blessed day.